a centimeter.
Wow.
If on a tripod, which we're gonna do, tripod handheld.
Actually, I have a serious question. If we find out that the height are different than the signs, are we going to change the signs?
That's not my.
It's
I
just,
heard
it's
my
just,
question
Sharpie,
came
but-
up at yesterday's program committee meeting,
right?
and the answer was, we don't know. So,
Nothing's gonna happen.
I think so. I looked at LiDAR a few years ago, and the heights are pretty similar to the signs, but we'll get accurate.
Yeah, because I get that question all the
And
time.
it says
yeah.
approximately on there. So
Right.
that saves us
So
all.
There you
we'll know by the end of today.
What are we supposed to look at?
So we're supposed to look in
crosshair.
the middle of there and look at the cross.
No, don't.
Look
All
at the
I see is my
crosshairs.
eyeball.
Yeah, exactly.
Verified it's
So-
still there.
What this is going to be is this is going to be our baseline. So I'm going to be measuring, let's say, from the top of the tree, the vertical distance to my eyeball, and then I turn around and measure, or assume we're going to be up on this hill.
Yeah, that's where
Right.
That's,
So my
that's-
eyeball is going to be hundreds of feet, or at least 100 feet above the base of this tree that we're going to measure. The Colonel. This is the first one. Parson Jones.
I
Okay.
want to listen to what he's saying.
So we're going to be over 100 feet above that point. Our eyeball is right. So I will be measuring from the tree top down to my eyeball, which will be 150, maybe 200 feet.
Kind of spooky.
But that's way above ground level. So I have to measure to this to get to ground level. Now let's say where I can see the top, I might not be able to see the top and this. Then what we do is we leapfrog, and we are doing vertical surveying. So I measure to the top, then I measure to that. Now I can move this tripod to a place closer to the base of the tree. I don't touch this, that acts like a baseline, and I measure back to this and calculate every single measurement as we go.
Cool.
This will make sense. This will make sense as we
Beyond my pay
do
grade.
this.
Math does come in handy.